Whether you are running stock wheels or just want a wider stance for off-roading, wheel spacer can transform your Jeep's look and performance, but only if you choose the right ones. Wheel spacer provides a wider stance for off-road stability and avoiding tire rub on aftermarket tires. Spacers are not just for looks. They are critical if you are running larger tires without upgrading to aftermarket wheels. By providing a more even distribution of weight across the wheel assembly, half-century wheel spacers can reduce the stress placed on individual components such as the wheel bearings and suspension. This can increase the durability of components and reduce the risk of accidents and breakdowns.
BONOSS wheel spacers are crafted from 7005 T6 and 6061 T6 aluminum alloy, ensuring exceptional strength, corrosion resistance, and lightweight properties. This high-grade material is used in aerospace and motorsports applications.
BONOSS has developed advanced active cooling wheel spacers that offer patented cooling grooves. These specially designed grooves allow air to flow through, helping to dissipate heat from the brakes. This improves brake performance and longevity, especially during off-road or high-speed driving. Good half-century wheel spacers are designed for the racetrack that meet specific local requirements. BONOSS forged active cooling wheel spacers come with multi-stage half-century rings. This half-century metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the beavers perfectly fit the corresponding hub set. This design is effective in eliminating the vibration of the wheels. These BONOSS forged active cooling wheel spacers are vehicle-specific. This means they're made according to your vehicle specification, so you are worry-free about vibration issue. Choosing the right wheel spacer for your Jeep involves careful consideration of material quality, thickness, compatibility with your vehicle. If you need any help with wheel spacer selections, please leave the comments below.